this video, I compared Dropship.io and Spocket to help you decide which is best for your dropshipping business. So I will cover everything you need to know in this video, so please make sure you watch this video until the end, and let's dive into the video right now. I will divide this video into certain topics, and these are the topics that we're going to cover. Platform overview, pricing and features, ease of use, best for, and the final verdict. And let's not wait any longer and start off with the platform overview. Well, Dropship.io is a product research tool with AI-driven insights and competitor analysis. While Spocket, on the other hand, is a dropshipping marketplace offering high-quality suppliers, fast shipping, and branding options. So let's dive into the pricing and features, starting with Spocket. And as you can see, we have 4 plans. We have the Starter, Pro, Empire, and Unicorn plan. And at the Starter plan, you will get 25 unique products, branded invoicing, and 24/7 chat support. And at Pro, you will get way more unique products, more premium products, and also winning products. So from Pro, we're really starting to talk, as you can see, because Starter is pretty limited, I would say. So starting from the Pro plan, that is around $60 a month, you will get the real benefits that you need to start and grow your dropshipping store. And the most popular is the Empire, but I would consider this for people that are really serious with their dropshipping stores and already making a lot of revenue. So these are built monthly. You can also build them annually, and then you will see that the Empire plan will only cost you $75 a month. So you will save a lot with that. So if you're serious, this is really something to consider. So let's move on to Dropship.io for the pricing. Well, Dropship.io has 3 plans, the basic, standard, and premium, and you can try Dropship.io risk-free with a 7-day free trial, which you can cancel anytime. And let's distinguish the 3 plans. So we have the basic plan for $39 a month, and you have 20 searches a day, 10,000 credits, and 15 stores a day with the Chrome extension. And again, same as at Spocket, it really starts to get interesting from the middle plan, and that is the standard plan in here, because in here you will get unlimited searches and 25,000 credits, and also full access to top products. And when you compare basic to standard, the differences are quite big for the difference in money. So with $20 a month more, you will get unlimited searches instead of 20 searches a day. So this can really make a difference in scaling your store. And right now we have selected paying per monthly, but you can also select pay yearly. And then we see the standard is only costing $34 a month. So this is also something that you can consider. But let's move on to the ease of use. Well, Dropship.io offers an intuitive interface for product research and competitor analysis. Spocket, on the other hand, connects sellers with US and EU suppliers, offers branded invoicing, and integrates with Shopify and WooCommerce. And let's talk about the ease of use. Well, Spocket is user-friendly with easy product imports and automated fulfillment, and Dropship.io has an intuitive interface for product research and competitor analysis, as I already mentioned. So let's make a final verdict. So I would say that Dropship.io is ideal for data-driven product research and competitor tracking, and Spocket is best for sellers needing fast shipping and branded products. So this is more a focus on branded e-commerce. So let's make a final verdict. Well, I would say that you need to choose Dropship.io for product research and choose Spocket for supplier access and branding. So which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments down below. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.